And I realized that, I'm missing one word probably in between for the definition that we wrote yesterday. Let me
Hmm.
repeat myself so you can correct me where I made a mistake, okay?
Okay, okay.
Um, just one second. Okay, so, okay, the number one for the compatibility testing, it says the developer will develop the software in any
Hmm.
of the platform,
Hmm.
and test engineer test the software and realize the what is the after that?
Test engineer test the software
Uh-huh.
in one platform
Mm-hmm.
and release the software to the customer.
Okay.
But customer might use the software in different platforms.
Okay.
And chances are there they might find the defects.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm all set. Yeah. I was missing only one word in between. Thank you.
Okay. So let us see when we should go for this particular compatibility testing. Okay.
Yeah.
Let us take customer Google given the requirement to a software company, Microsoft. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where business analyst is collected the requirement in the form of CRS and converted into SRS. Later, we will go for design, where we will do high-level design. Later that we will do low-level design. Once after design is completed, we will go for coding. Okay.
Yeah.
Developer will write the code and do the white box testing and compile the code and compress the code into a software. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And this software is given to the test engineers.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
the software is given to the test engineers. So what test engineers will do? Let me take this is one of the server. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
they will install the software into the server. Okay.
Yes.
Once
Yes, sir.
after they install the software into the server, what they will do?
They are going to get the URL and get a
Okay. What
username.
we will do? We'll
The
do
smoke
smoke
testing.
testing.
Smoke
As soon
test.
as we get the build, we'll do the smoke testing.
Mhm.
Testing the
Right.
basic and critical features of an application before doing thorough rigorous testing is called as smoke testing. Later,
Yes.
we will do functional testing. Testing each and every component of an application thoroughly, rigorously, we'll do that is functional. Later, we will do integration testing where testing the data flow between the modules we will test, and we will do system testing. It is one of the
More, more.
end-to-end testing. Later,
Mhm.
we will do ad hoc testing as well, testing the software randomly without looking into the requirement.
Requirement.
We might do the performance testing based on number of users will
Search.
use the application.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It means testing the stability and response time of an application by doing a performance testing. Later, we will do usability testing.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
these testings will do
Mm.
basically.
Mm.
Yeah.
But this testing where we have to do, that is matter. Okay,
Mm.
so what will happen? The customer is expecting his software will work in all the platforms,
Mm.
different hardware and software platforms. There is a person called as business analyst. You guys know already. This person is already corrected the requirement or collected the requirement from the customer where and all you will use the software, in which platforms you will use. Will you use in Android? Will you use in iOS? Will you use in Windows? Which platform? Linux you will use? Where you will use? How you will use? Which configuration? All the requirement is gathered. So business analyst, what he will do, collect the requirement of base platform. What is that? Base platform. So what do you mean by base platform? Means business analyst collected the requirement of base platform, that is Windows 10. Customer is telling that I will use the software in Windows 10. This is in a service-based companies. In service-based companies, you will see business analyst. But if you take product-based company, there will be a person called as product analyst. Okay. Job role is same, but the name is different. Always keep in your mind, business analyst is the person who will collect the requirement from the customer, but product analyst is the person who will do the market research and gather the information. So what do you mean by this? So when youth are facing issues to text the messages to their girlfriends or something, no? Your Mark Zuckerberg is planned Facebook. It means he's done some market research. Okay. He's a owner as well as he's a product analyst as well. Okay. What is going in the market? So what type of software if I introduce, then, it will be benefit for the end users, customers. That is what he analyzed. He's analyzing the market. He's doing the market research. It is not search, market research. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So product analyst is the person who will do the market research for compatibility testing. See how we will do means anything. If you're using your mobile, no. Let me give you a small example. You will go to Facebook and okay. Let me give a simple example. If you open the Amazon, okay, you will search for one of the kurta or something, some dress, okay. Later you will close it. You will open the Facebook. Facebook will share you different type of kurtas as ads. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So how they got to know that you already searched for kurta in Amazon? How Facebook got that information?
Because of the platform.
Which platform?
So here Windows 10.
Your Amazon will not give any information to them, no? That is different platform. This is different platform. Then how they got?
So that
there
is
will be some cookies. There is some cookies will be generated. Okay. There is some cookies will be generated when you are using the application that they will catch, or by decoding that, particular cache memory or something. Okay, they will get the information. That information my product analyst will get. So he will check how many users are using iOS. iOS is used basically, Indians also using iOS 70%. Let me take an example.
Yeah.
And US also maybe around 60-70% they are using iOS. Android. Okay. Maybe another 20% Windows, another 10%. Got it?
Yeah.
Chances are there, if it is a laptop based application, 70% of the people are using Windows. In that Windows 10 they are using. Got it? Another 10% or 20%, okay, 15% they are using Android, and 15% they are using the iOS. I mean tabs or something will be there, no? That one. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
he's done the market research. He got the base platform.
Mhm.
Okay. So we'll do the market research. Who will do? Product analyst will do the market research. He got to know that Windows 10 is used by, or Windows used by 70%. In that Windows 10 will be some 40%.
Mhm.
So initially, my software should work for Windows 10 customers
Hmm.
because maximum customers are from Windows 10. No,
Hmm.
so let them use my software properly.
Okay.
Got it? So he's
Yes.
giving the base platform as a Windows 10.
Hmm.
Or product, your business analyst ask for the customer is telling Windows 10. Anything is fine. Okay. If you consider it a product analyst, you will do the market research. If you are considering as a business analyst, you will collect the requirement from the customer.
Hmm.
Because customer know what platform they are using, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Later, they will do the software testing, that smoke, functional, integration, system, ad hoc, performance, usability, etc., all the testings in Windows 10 platform.
Hmm.
Once after software is tested in the Windows 10 platform, later we will go for something called as compatibility testing. Okay,
Mhm.
where there are Windows 7 platform, Windows 10 platform, or Windows 8 platform, Windows 11 platform. Okay.
Yeah.
Later we have Android platform, we have iOS platform, we have Linux platform, we have, let me take Ubuntu. There is one platform, Ubuntu platform. Okay.
Mhm.
And there are some color. There is a Chinese OS, that is color OS. Okay. Your
Mhm.
Samsung is using something, some different OS.
Mhm.
So these are the different platforms. Okay. Once after the software is tested in this base platform, what is this platform name? Base
Base.
Base platform.
platform. Later we will go for the compatibility testing
Okay.
or
Yes.
portability testing.
Mhm.
Okay, got it?
Yes. Yeah.
How we will do, let us see later. But
Okay.
when we will do, tell me when we will do.
When the software is uh, given by the developer and installed into the testing server,
Hmm.
and then we have to configure the testing server according to the base platform and do the smoke testing, functional testing, integration testing, system testing, ad hoc testing, performance testing, and usability
Okay.
testing.
So can I tell, once after the software is tested in the base platform,
Mm-hmm.
then we will go for compatibility testing.
Yes.
Yes or no? When you will go for
Yeah.
smoke testing,
As soon as the build
As
is
soon as
ready.
the build is ready.
when you will go for ad hoc testing,
While doing the functional testing, or I mean all the testings that you have mentioned, sir, here,
hmm.
or
Hmm.
after you have finished testing all the positive scenarios.
Hmm. When you will do the system testing, tell me when you will do the system testing.
System testing is done, sir, when the software is already tested in the testing server. and it has to be released to the end users. So before
No.
releasing to the end
No.
users, before releasing to the end users, we do system testing.
If you open the diagram, that big diagram I have given, no?
Yeah.
Both of you open.
One second.
In that, I have given the explanation. Have you written that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
1.5 page or 2 page explanation you have written.
Yeah.
The diagram we did on October 17th, right?
Yeah.
Left and all, I don't know.
System testing. Server, production server. Yes, sir. The admin and bank manager diagram, the end user, you have done.
Yeah. Where the developer opened the source of code.
It tells
Open testing server similar to production server diagram.
yes, sir.
Yeah, the big one, right?
Hmm.
The release and the testing server and the whole diagram we did get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In that, when to go for system testing, notes I have given, check where I have given. For the big diagram explanation I have given, where I have mentioned that. Please check.
There is so much material. When minimum bench of the models are ready.
Yes,
Yeah.
minimum
And
bunch
basic
of modules are ready.
functionalities, basic
Yes.
functionalities of all the modules should be working fine.
Yes.
Which is the
Product
functional
software.
testing and integration testing.
Next
Testing servers should be similar to production server setup.
is
And
available.
Yeah, and it should be available.
And
Yes.
when we start getting less numbers of the requirement.
Yes. I told you, no, at the
Yeah.
end, we will be freezing the requirement. Before that, the requirement A to Z modules means is having a clarity.
Yeah.
So we will not going to change the requirements as well. So that is also very important question when we should go for the system testing. Okay.
Yeah.
When we should do the performance testing.
Sir, performance testing when there are multiple users and not basically multiple, there are large number of users using the application.
When I should go for usability testing?
Usability testing is basically the look and feel of the application. So
application called usability testing and GUI testing and yellow box testing.
When will you do the usability testing?
Sir, before deploying it in the production server?
So there is something called as front end, okay?
What
front end means what you are seeing, the application.
Yeah.
There is something called as middleware. There is something called as backend. Okay.
Yeah.
What developer will do always, he will create a backend Later, we will create the front end.
Oh,
And this, whatever the middleware is there, no, it will act like a code. The complete code will be here. Okay. Whatever request you are sending, it will take and it will store in that database.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So this front end button is required, they will give button. Link is given required, they will give link. Checkbox is required, radio button is required, pop-up is required, page is required, anything. They will just develop. And the look and feel we will not see. Just buttons are working, data is flowing, end-to-end flow is working. Now software is very good. The quality of the software is good. That time we will take front end. Already the design is done. How the software need to look, okay? How the software need to look and how the software need to work. All the design has been completed already. Later they will do that. Before releasing, as Prerna mentioned, so before releasing we will do, sir. Yeah, that is for sure we will do. And also in between, see, this is simple changes. No, like I add a checkbox, check how it is looking. Customer will give, my application should look in a blue color.
Yeah.
The theme should be blue. So map the colors. So my design architect, what he will do some designing based on the blue color. See, not only one blue color, many blue colors you can see here. Maybe purple, pink, we will call it as a different, but the theme is looking like a blue. If you take green, no, green, gray, light brown, these things we will call it as a green. Got it? Similarly, white and black means white and black only. Like that, color combinations, all the designs will be done. Based on that, again, developer will write the code by using HTML, CSS, front-end code, they will write and they will map it. That time I'll do the usability testing.
Yeah.
Before releasing the software, I can do the usability testing. And you can tell, once the front-end has been developed by the developer, we will do the usability testing. Manual testing is always a UI testing, front-end testing.
Okay,
Whatever you are seeing, no, whatever you are seeing, no, something you are seeing. Let me take. Okay, let us take our application only. This is what you are seeing, right?
Yeah.
This is only I need to test. I don't know about the code. But middleware is something like API testing.
Okay.
What do you mean by API means? These are the codes. Okay. Codes, what it will do, they will take the request and they will send the response. If you are clicking login request, it will show you some code like 200. It will show code as a 200. 200 means successful. I think you guys seen 404 error.
Yeah.
Got it? Some pages 404. That is an error API is giving. There is no file available in the backend. Server down. Got it? 501 you will get. It means server down. Server means what? Backend only. It is not working well. Like that. Request response. The coding will be there, but what we'll do is do the API testing based on the request and response. What we'll get. Next, backend is there where we will use the queries. Queries means either SQL or Oracle SQL, PL SQL. There are so many things. Okay.
Yeah.
This is, I am explaining front end, middleware, backend. Now, whatever compatibility testing you will do, that and all you will do it as a front end only.
Front end.
Whatever I'm teaching, no, all the testings are front end testings. Okay.
So
Getting some idea?
UI testing, does that mean user interface testing?
Yeah.
Okay. And sir, what's the full form of API?
Yeah, I was going to ask.
API means application packaging interface.
Packaging?
Interface. Okay. That
Is there any definition for that?
It is like There is no definition. That is different course only. No need of learning that. Okay.
Okay.
That is you should have a very good coding knowledge to test the middleware. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, developers will do, or the test engineer. There will be something called as SDET. SDET. This is a role for a development come testing, software development and engineering in testing. Okay.
Is it part of our course as well? STEL?
No.
Okay.
Your course is manual testing. First
Yeah.
learn this.
Yeah.
Okay. This will be including automation and also your API. Some front end also you should know, like HTML, CSS and all you should know.
Yeah.
What it's not a, it is like a basically developer is doing the testing. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
API is done by the developer. Okay.
Yeah. API is developed by the developer, but tested by the automation engineer, I can tell.
Automation.
Because
Yes,
they will give, see,
some
just
code.
send some code, it will give you 200, 300, 500. Some codes it will give. Anybody can do that.
Okay.
Okay. Manual test engineer also can do that.
Okay.
Nothing. There will be some interface where you have to give the input, it will give the answer. There is nothing, no coding.
Okay.
But if you want to do automation, API, there is something called as REST assured, which will comes under the automation API. That time coding is required. That too, not like a Selenium. Selenium coding is for, more coding compared to API coding and all. Your API and all you can do it. First you become automation. Later they will give you opportunity to work in APIs as well. Okay. So how will you get to know the base platform? So by doing the market research, I will get to know the base platform. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just take the screenshot.
Yeah, done.
Oh, one more second.
Done.
Yeah.
Now leave the space for the diagram. Below that, write down when to go for compatibility testing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Once after the software is tested in the base platform, once after the software is tested in the base platform,
Okay.
we'll go for the compatibility testing.
Okay.
We will write down next line. The BA or PA will provide us the base platform. Provide us the base platform. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Provide the base platform.
Excuse me.
Based on the market research. Based on the market research. Done?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So when means you should tell this answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now simple. Let us go. How to do the compatibility testing? Very easy concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not easy in the sense very easy. It's easy. Okay. You guys are getting no simple.
Yes, sir.
I'm just giving you how the company will work, what and all will be there. This is a general knowledge basically.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
How will you do writing scenarios, executing the scenarios, smoke, functional integration, system, ad hoc?
Yes, sir.
These 5 scenarios, 5 types you have to learn at any cost. This is what we will do in the company.
Okay.
But what and all extra we will do is we will do all these things. You might get the opportunity to work as a, this engineer. Which engineer? Compatibility testing engineer.
Mhm,
So if you're
mhm,
doing compatible testing means already the software is tested, the quality is good.
mhm,
The
mhm,
software is working fine in Windows 10. Best
mhm,
platform, it's working fine. Later they will give that software for you. It's
mhm,
easy for you to check. Okay, maximum features will be working. Around 95% the software will be working. Only 5%. Some UI changes, what type of defects and
mhm,
all I will teach you. Okay, only that mistakes you can find.
mhm,
Okay,
mhm.
so let us see how we will do the compatibility testing. See, you guys know the 2-tier, 3-tier, and 1-tier architecture already.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by 2-tier architecture?
A piece of application present at the client place and another piece of application present in the server. By using
Yes,
the client application, we will do interact with the server application. This type of app is called two-tier.
very good. So what do you mean by 3-tier?
Three-tier is any application can be exist by opening the browser and application opening the browser and entering into the URL. This type of application called three-tier.
What is 1-tier?
Three-tier.
One
Oh,
one
that.
tier.
mm, One tier.
Sir, one tier is the application where there is no need of internet, and the client
Yeah.
and the app server is both on the same device.
Okay. So web server, app server, database server, both 3 will be present at the client
Yes, yes.
place. So no, there is no internet required for that.
Yeah.
Correct.
So similarly, let us see now. Why I just reminded you the concepts so that now you will understand it very easily. There is a software that we have installed in some of the testing server. Let me take. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is which server? This is a
Testing.
Testing server.
testing server. Okay.
Mm.
Once after you have tested the software in testing server, I mean in Windows 10 platform. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
If you are testing means how you are testing. Here is a laptop. Yes or no?
Yes,
Your
sir.
laptop is there. In the laptop, Windows 10 is installed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me take this as a keyboard. This is not a laptop. This is a old, what is that? PC. Okay.
Mm.
So let us take this as a Windows 10, where Windows 10,
Mm.
and this is also Windows 10. Okay.
Mm.
Base platform is told that you have to test the software in the base platform. Okay.
Mm.
So I have installed a base platform that is Windows 10, and Windows is not for free.
Mm.
Yes or no? You
Yeah.
have to pay
Yes.
some amount for the license.
Yeah.
Windows 10 I have tested.
Mm.
Assume is a test engineer. Compatibility, they have given you 4 days time or 3 days time
Mm.
to do the compatibility, because 95% it will work. No, only few issues, front end issues you need to find. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That time what will happen? They have given you 3 days, but you have around some 6 to 7 platforms previously, as I mentioned here. You have to test. If you install Windows 10, probably it will take 30 minutes to 2 hours to install.
Okay.
Got it? How many hours?
Yeah.
2 hours. If
But-
your
Used 2 hours.
configuration is very good, your laptop is having good RAM, ROM, and all. Okay. If your
Mhm.
laptop is old laptop, no, it will take 1 hour or 3 hours or 5 hours. You don't know. Or entire night it will take.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm tested in Windows 10. Later they will give Windows 11 as a secondary platform, second base platform.
Okay.
You need to uninstall the Windows 10, right?
Yes.
Later you have to install the Windows 11.
Windows 11.
Let me take 2 hours it will consume. Windows
Hmm.
11 uninstall, Windows 7 install. Again 2
Hmm.
hours.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Uninstall Windows, install the Android.
Mhm.
3-4 hours.
Mhm.
Uninstall Android, install iOS. Maybe
Mhm.
1 hour or 2 hours.
Mhm.
Install, uninstall, install, uninstall. If you are doing no,
Mhm.
around 2 days of time is already gone in that, but they have given you only 3 days time.
Hmm.
Okay.
How it is possible?
Hmm.
So the companies are well matured, okay? No
Hmm.
need of thinking. There will be something called as servers or
Hmm.
staging server or server anything, okay?
Hmm.
Let me take compatibility server.
Hmm.
CA server I will call,
Hmm.
okay?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Once after my software is tested in the base platform,
Hmm.
there is an application called as, there are many applications. There is something called as Sauce Labs.
Hmm.
Okay. What is the
Hmm.
application? Sauce Labs.
House
I'm
labs.
just taken one example. What this fellow will do is
Hmm.
he is keeping
Hmm.
Windows 10,
Hmm.
or let me take Windows 11. Let me start because Windows 10 we already taken. No?
Hmm.
Windows 11,
Hmm.
Windows 7,
Hmm.
Linux or Linux we'll call, Ubuntu. Okay, we
Yes.
will call it as Android. You guys are understanding, no, what I'm telling?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Or simply telling yes, sir, yes, sir.
We will review as well, sir, to get
Yes.
more clarity.
Yep.
Now you are not getting any clarity.
No, we are, but we
Okay, but
review every
100%.
single class.
Obviously, you are not a I'm not a Dronacharya, you are not a Ekalavya, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have to practice. You guys are like Arjun, Sahadev, or Nakul,
Hmm.
like that. You have to do more practice. Or
Yes.
Bhimsen. Okay. So
Hmm.
Windows, iOS is there. So many platforms are there.
Hmm.
Not only these guys. Okay, there are many platforms. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me give you an example. What I will do, I will open the Sauce Labs.
Hmm.
Like I'm opening this. This is Sauce Labs. Here
Okay.
Windows 10 is there.
Hmm.
What I will do, I'll click on Windows 10.
Hmm.
As soon as I click on Windows 10 or Windows
Hmm.
11,
Hmm.
my laptop will automatically become as a Windows 11.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Or let me give you a simple example. You can
Hmm.
see here blue stack. Okay,
Okay.
my screen is visible, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me open this blue stack.
Hmm.
If you see this is some gaming, something and all it's showing. It's okay, finally. This application, particular application, is
Hmm.
used to
Hmm.
play the mobile
Game.
games in the laptop.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm
Yes, sir.
doing? Mobile games. What are the mobile games? I have downloaded some PUBG, NFS,
Hmm.
or Asphalted. These games will not support if I play in my Windows platform. This particular
Hmm.
platform, whatever I am having,
Yes, sir.
particular
Okay.
platform, no.
Yes, sir.
This is Windows 11. Okay, my platform is Windows 11. I
Hmm.
can't play that game.
Hmm.
If I am having this particular application where it will give the access like a
Hmm.
Android, it is making my laptop as a Android.
Hmm.
There is no need of downloading anything or uninstalling anything or installing anything. Got it?
So, sir,
I just
everything.
open it.
Everything is in the cloud. That's what it means.
Yeah. Some application you have to. This is a SaaS Labs latest take. Here there
Okay.
is a Windows 11,
Mm-hmm.
Windows 13,
Mm-hmm.
iOS, something like that. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So once if you click on that one, no? Once if
Mm-hmm.
I click on this game will open now.
Hmm.
But actually speaking, this game will not open in my laptop because it is a Windows laptop.
Correct.
But because of this particular application, I can use. Now you
Backstage.
got the clarity.
Blue
Okay.
stack.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
similarly, there is a Sauce Labs application I have installed where I will
Okay.
open. I will select Windows 10. As soon as I select Windows 10 is done. Now Windows 11.
Huh.
The request will go to my server
Huh.
and the automatically I will get the response that my laptop will automatically convert it as a Windows 11. Windows
Got
10 will go. It is there. Main it will be there,
Yeah.
but it will be like vanished and Windows 11 platform I got. Like
Yes, sir.
how I got the Android platform here. I mean, what I
Yes.
showed. Okay. Later, you can test the software, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Since I'm telling that this game will not be working in Windows, I can't open the game directly.
Yeah.
It will show error. It means a
Hmm.
blocker defect.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, I will open the application
Hmm.
in Windows 11. It is
Hmm.
giving me a platform. I clicked
Hmm.
on that game or I clicked on the Gmail application. Okay,
Hmm.
customer is given the requirement for Gmail application, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the Gmail will not open only
Hmm.
if it is not developed for that particular platform.
Mm-hmm.
I found a defect. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Before releasing the software, I found a defect. I
Yes, sir.
communicated to the developer.
Hmm.
Developer is go to the source code, analyze the code, many lines of code. He will find the defect and he will fix the defect. He may give the patch or respin. Anything he can give. Okay. If we give the patch, what we have to do, we should update. If he's giving the respin, we should copy the old data and uninstall the software, install the new software. Later, paste the old data into the software, restart the server. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is what respin. What patch and respin, anything we will do. Later, again, I will click on Windows 11, and open the source lab, open Windows 11, and click on the open the source lab, click on the Windows 11. It will show the Windows platform, Windows 11 platform. Later, you just open www.gmail.com. Understood? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That time it should show, or the defect is fixed means obviously it will work.
Yes, sir.
The Gmail is open.
Yeah.
Later I will enter username password. It is working. Windows 11 is completed.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as Windows 11 is completed, what I will do, I will exit. There will be something called as exit from Windows 11.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as exit from Windows 11, this platforms again it will show Windows 7, Linux, Android. Now my time in installing, uninstalling the build is reduced.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And installing, uninstalling is not an easy task, guys. While you are installing some file now,
Hmm.
some file is corrupted, chances are there your mobile or your laptop might, the hardware might affect.
Hmm.
The processor might go off. The motherboard might get affect.
Hmm.
It's not an easy process. So how everything is present in a server, by using that server, I see a server, I can call compatibility server. By using that, where I'm just going to that particular platform and I am using the application.
Mm-hmm.
This is how we will do the compatibility testing.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. Only there is application called a Sauce Labs. There are many applications. If you search compatibility tools, okay, you will get many tools. I'm just given an example that is a Sauce Labs. You just install it, open it, but it is also not free again. Instead of giving $1,000, he is giving $3 per day. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you are taking a software for 1 year, Windows 11, Ubuntu, Linux, and no use. Because I'm testing in a base platform, it will only take 6 months. This is worth. If I'm paying $1,000 for base platform, then it is worth.
Yes, sir.
But paying for other platforms $1,000, it's waste of
No.
money.
Yes.
Correct.
So this fellow is giving 3 days, $3 per day. I am given 3 days. Within 9 days, I have tested within $9, I have tested in all the platforms.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yeah.
Easy. If some problem is there, no, the problem will be resolved in the software easily. Similarly, no, previously you were not able to buy the groceries. Amazon came. When there is a problem, there is a solution. The solution name is software. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood. So there
Yes.
was a problem we used to play. So obviously software came, some hardware, he kept all the devices and he's written some code in a source lab such a way that it should automatically configure it when user click. Simple
Yes.
code, click,
Yes.
done, job is easy.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, this is how we will do the compatibility testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now just take the screenshot.
Yeah, done.
Done?
Yes.
1 second. Yeah, done.
Good. So now let us see. You need any explanation for this?
Yeah, I was going to ask you, sir, do you have any
Some
specific
notes, sir.
application?
There is no notes. I can dictate you.
Okay.
If you are ready, you can write. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
write down.
Yeah.
Still here, you guys know, right? Base platform. Okay. Write down. Customer will give the requirement.
We are doing how right now, right?
No. How? Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
Customer will give the requirement.
Okay.
BA will collect the requirement and convert CRS into SRS. And convert CRS into SRS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later we'll go for the design phase.
I'm so sorry, sir. Requirement and convert into?
CRS into SRS.
Okay. Okay.
Later, we'll go for design.
Yes.
Once after design is done, we'll go for coding. Once after design is completed, we'll go for coding. Once the coding is completed, test engineers will start doing the testing in the base platform. Test engineers start doing testing in the base platform.
Test engineers start doing?
Testing in the base platform.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done?
Yeah.
Once the software is tested in the base platform, the test engineer will use, or the test engineer will go for compatibility testing. The test engineer will do the compatibility testing by using some applications such as source labs, etc.
Applications such as,
SaaS labs,
okay,
etc., etc. Next line. SaaS labs. SaaS labs, you write down heading.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Basically, this particular server in bracket, you write down app as well.
Yes,
You
sir.
will see the app. You can't see the server. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can see the body. You can't see your Atma like that. Software is like Atma.
Yeah.
So what you have written? SaaS labs
Basically, this
basically-
application server in bracket
server
app.
where all the platforms were already installed, where all the platforms are already installed. Test engineer will connect to it with the help of internet connection. Test engineer will connect to it with the help of internet connection. And he will start doing same functional smoke integration system ad hoc performance testings. Usability, same function. So now you understand what do you mean by definition of compatibility testing.
Yes,
Testing
sir.
the functionality. Functionality means your smoke functional integration system. Testing the functionality of an application in different hardware and software configurations. Now you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
no.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is the definition.
Yeah.
Testing the functionality of an application in different hardware and software configurations is called as what?
Compatibility
Testing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you have written?
for the sauce lab, sir.
Okay.
Basically, this
No,
particular.
you just mention last line. What I have given.
Oh, okay. The last line is test engineer is connect to it and helping to the internet connection, and he will start doing smoke testing, functional testing, integration testing, system testing.
Yes.
And we should write ad hoc and performance as
so
well,
this
right?
is how we will do the compatibility testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is how we will do the compatibility testing.
So, sir, the last point only is about compatibility testing, right? That is the basic technical knowledge about compatibility.
Guys, this is completely theoretical knowledge. I can't give you experimental knowledge because the servers and all, you have to give the amount and you have to take it and you have to teach. It is not a free.
So the last definition you gave us is for the source lab, right? But you at the end you say it's compatibility testing.
Yeah. Source labs with the help of this application. You need to uninstall, install, do that, or with the server you do that.
It is faster.
This is faster, and time is money, guys. Always keep in your mind.
Yeah.
If you are spending 10 hours in Instagram, means 10 hours money is your Mark Zuckerberg is getting. 10 hours of user data is getting. Now, data is very important. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Like how you are having property, your Mark Zuckerberg is telling, hey, I'm having 1 billion accounts. I am having their data, personal photos. Got it?
Yes,
but it will be having high security when it comes to data and all, because WhatsApp and all end to end encrypted, but they can decrypt and they can use it. but they will not do that. Once we will get to know that, we will not use that a particular type of application.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, you will sell that. You will tell Amazon, see, the Amazon will be used by the customer for 1 hour, but my application they are using another 5 hours. No,
Yes, sir.
what you
Yeah.
have to do, what they have searched, okay, what is the search history of them? You just give that details for me. I will keep on posting that in there, in my platform, like in the Facebook. So
Yes.
one or two times you will see, third time you will try to book it.
Mm-hmm.
You give me some marketing charges, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
This is how he is getting our data. This is how we got
Yes.
to know that you are searching for kurta.
Yeah.
Okay, there will be some connections between each and every company. This Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all. No, they are having our data.
Yes, sir.
Whomever is there asking, they will pay some amount, but they will check whether legal company, all the things are there, what they're doing. They will do all the cross verifications. Later, they will give the data, they will sell the data, they will take the money. That is not like monthly they will charge. It's not like completely they are giving. Yearly they will charge like that. Okay. This is
Yes,
how
sir.
the companies will work. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So let me finish the class today. I'm having one more meeting.